cultural capital of Korea, designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, the city of Hanok, Jeonju. We will introduce the top 3 hotels for tourists. If you want to receive hotel informations every evening, please click the subscribe button. The hotel is within easy walking distance of the Hanok village. There are convenience stores, restaurants, and pharmacies in the surrounding area. The interior design is harmonious, giving the feeling of staying in a traditional Hanok house. The bed and room conditions are also very good. There is a beautifully decorated cafe on the first floor. The location is very convenient. You can walk to the Hanok village without needing a taxi. There are many famous traditional Korean restaurants around. The room is clean and very neatly cleaned. Guests can have free breakfast at the hotel restaurant. It is a centrally located hotel with affordable prices. Just behind Pungnam Gate, a stone throw away from Hanok village, there is also a bus station to travel to the city area. Spacious rooms with water dispenser and heated floor. Modern interior with one single bed and one queen bed. Quiet and cozy atmosphere. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.